Number 9. One who has missed Mariv and is obligated to recite Shemoneh Esrei and Shacharis twice, or missed Shacharis and must recite Mincha twice, if he was a Chazzan at the time of compensatory obligation, interesting, he fulfills his obligation with his repetition of Shemoneh Esrei aloud. Very interesting. Okay, so let me read commentary and we explain. He should have in mind that both his compensatory Shemoneh Esrei, as well as to exempt those who are unable to recite Shemoneh Esrei on their own, which was the original purpose of enacting the Shliach Tzibur repetition Shemoneh Esrei. So basically, he's a Chazzan. So I think it's a good, very interesting scenario. So he's a Chazzan, and Chazzan repeats Shemoneh Esrei for the whole congregation, right? So it's very interesting. So now, if he has in mind, so let this repetition serve as my second Shemoneh Esrei. So they said that's good, and I think that's very clear solution. Okay, very interesting. Having completed the discussion of the laws of compensatory prayer, the discussion turns to what one should do if he's in doubt whether or not he has recited Shemoneh Esrei. That's very interesting. Maybe the guy had fever or something, and otherwise, how can you not know? Number 10. If one is in doubt whether or not he has prayed, the law is that nowadays, since we do not recite the native prayer, he does not go back and pray Shemoneh Esrei. Okay. So commentaries say, one who recited the native Shemoneh Esrei must have total concentration for the entire Shemoneh Esrei, and one cannot be certain that he will be capable of applying this. See Shulchan 107.4. So basically, for this compensatory, the Shemoneh Esrei, the native prayer, it's totally different requirements. He has to have attention all the time. So since most likely he would not be able to, so he does not go back and pray Shemoneh Esrei. Number 35, Shulchan 107.1 rules that one who is in doubt whether he has prayed a weekday prayer recites the native Shemoneh Esrei conditionally. Okay. He stipulates if he has not prayed, it should serve to fulfill his obligation, and if he has prayed, it should be the native. Okay. The native Shemoneh Esrei, Siman 107.2. Biur Halacha begins with Siman 107, assert that in such a case, the native Shemoneh Esrei may be recited even nowadays. So basically, I think the way I remember, I think I said before, so he has to add some things. So it cannot be exactly the same, just in case. So it should be a little different.